We're in Bordianka still, and I've just seen my second Banksy on that destroyed building over there. You can see the destroyed apartment blocks, the destruction of civilian architecture and buildings, apartments where people live, and of course you've got schools associated with that. And the good news is, as we move the camera past the third Banksy that I've seen in a single day, that's pretty impressive as far as I'm concerned. But on a more serious note, you'll see there's a USAID sticker up there. Sadly, the US government has just put a pause on aid to Ukraine that isn't military, so stuff like this will be, the funding will be paused for 90 days. But anyway, what that sort of money goes towards in this case is the rebirth of Ukrainian society, and you see the wonderful job they've done of this school, of recreating this school. Pierre was just telling me that the last time he was here, that school was completely destroyed. Basically, it was not in a good way, and they've done it up, and it's looking pretty good.